Keyboards are probably one of the best inventions since G Fuel in a can. They are a means of communicating in the virtual world, and for some, it means typing up emails until you fall off the edge of a commercial building and become another statistic. Who the fuck? Anyway, keyboards are usually split up into two categories, membrane and mechanical. The difference between them can basically be summed up to how much you're willing to waste your money. Unless you buy a magic keyboard, in which case, yeah, you wasted your fucking money. And with that being said, here's my love letter to mechanical keyboards. And before the video starts, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I don't know how much it'll help you, but it helps me. And if you don't like the video, you can always subscribe. See you later. Peace. This is a Royal Clutch Sync 87G, and it contains a mechanical switch. For those wondering what the ham hock and p-funk a switch is, it's basically why there is a huge price difference. The reason for this price difference is basically the overall life expectancy of a switch versus the life expectancy of a rubber dome, which is about a 45 million click difference. And for those wondering for what click life expectancy is, it's basically how many times can you type a script alone in your room while sitting in front of your camera and hearing nothing but white noise? Wait, what? And another thing that contributes is the fact that switches have an overall great bumpy and tactile feel, unlike the domes, which basically fill your life with nothing but anger and sexual frustration. Wait, now that we've been able to break down why mechanical keyboards are far superior than a normal rubber dome, let's get into why I personally enjoy them so goddamn much. To be honest, I think the one main reason I love mechanical keyboards is mainly based on how much better my overall online experience has become. Playing games feels so much better with a tactile bump rather than a mushy feel, and typing has never been more smoother thanks to the responsive switches. To be honest, I feel like mechanical keyboards should be tried out by everybody at least once, or you make a decision before you can either go back to a membrane or stay with Mech Gang. And I know that your first time experience isn't going to feel all too good, and that'll probably be due to the type of switch you're using for the first time. Personally, if I was a snob, if I were to think in the dynamics of a computer snob, I would recommend that your first switch would either be a linear red switch or a Gateron ink black switch. But if you're into any other switches based on the type of sound or the feel, then you do you. And look, I'm not forcing you into the cult mentality of a mech typist. I'm just saying you can't really knock it until you try it. I've been Gary, and I hoped that you enjoyed the video. I'll see you later. Peace.